Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict BuddyPress pages to login user or member only using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in group page and we don't log in, but we access this page. So we are going to add restriction. So only login member access BuddyPress pages or community. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write BuddyPress members only. So we are going to use this plugin. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So click on activate. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see BuddyPress members only. So click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see register page URL. So you can add URL link according to requirement. So if user access BuddyPress community page, then we are going to redirect to this page. So we added login page URL. Now you see when non-member user view your BuddyPress pages, they will be redirected to this page. If you want, you can add open page URL. So let's suppose you want to open your group page to anyone, then you can add group page BuddyPress link here. Now you see open page URL and then you see redirect login to user. So when BuddyPress member login into your website, so you can redirect to profile page or member page or activity page. So it's up to you. So we select this, enable this option, and then you see option only protect my BuddyPress pages. So enable this option. All other section on your site will be open to guest, and then click on save changes, submit. So click on it. Now setting saved. So you can find out this option also, BuddyPress component, and then you see restrict these BuddyPress component to non-member guest user. Open BuddyPress standard component. If you want, you can enable this option. Checked component will open to guest, and then click on submit. Now you see restrict post type. So click on it. So we are in plugin setting again. Now you see BuddyPress member only restrict custom post type setting. Open post type. Open these post type to guest. If you want, you can enable this option and then click on submit. So it's up to you. Now go to group page again. So we are in BuddyPress group page and refresh the page. Now you see we redirect to login page. So we added this URL in plugin setting. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.